Alan Tittle here, Cleveland Personal Injury Lawyer. We're at the new office, 4106 Bridge Avenue, Cleveland, Ohio. Now, we're not quite done yet getting this place all decorated, but I wanted to give you a sneak preview of what this new office is like. Come on, I'll show you around. Obviously, front door, you walk in, lobby straight ahead, front conference room to the left. Let me show you the lobby first, come on. Obviously, we got the reception area here. We got one of my favorite things, the fish tank there. And yes, those are live, actual plants. We got the area for our clients and distinguished guests to sit. And so now we have the front conference room, and this is perfect. Client meetings, so we can have depositions, client meetings going on at the same time, or multiple rooms for mediations. But let me show you one of the things I love. Is this old trunk here. Now this is a family heirloom from my mom and pop. And this came over straight from England. And you know, it fits perfect in this house. It was built in 1875 and it fits right in. Let me show you the other conference room. Again, this is the main conference room. We gotta hide the cords and all that stuff. But here's the beautiful table that my law partner Scott built. He's really proud of that. But here's some cool stuff. What I think is cool anyways. This stained glass. You don't see this stuff anymore. When this house was built in 1875, this is the original stained glass. It's unbelievable. Let me show you my favorite part. The tub. Folks, this is the original tub from 1875. The best thing about it is, obviously it's original, but I can be taking a soak, Scott can be conducting a deposition, all at the same time. And there's nothing better to throw off opposing counsel than taking a nice soak during a deposition. Let me show you upstairs. Again, you can't beat this woodwork. I mean, this is all original stuff, 1875. You don't get this stuff anymore. So we come up, and this is where all the magic happens up here. We got Scott's office there on the side. Look at this curve. You can never have too many curves in life. But coming down the hallway, we got an attorney's office here. It's my office. Highly classified information in there, keeping the door closed. And again, we don't have everything hung up yet, but we're getting close. More office, we got office there. We actually have two offices, here and here for staff, and we got a bathroom. And then finally, we got a secret staircase in the back that can take us down to the front, the main level, as well as the kitchen. Alan Tittle here, Cleveland Personal Injury Lawyer. Appreciate you watching the video. Again, the address, 4106 Bridge Avenue, Cleveland, Ohio. And we're here in the Ohio City neighborhood. As soon as this COVID thing's over, I look forward to you swinging by and I'll personally show you around. Take care.